Welcome everyone. Bridgette Maria here. I'm going to take my classes through, and this is for anybody who wants to practice their right and left turns in salsa. So I'm going to go through the technique of the feet, and then I'm going to show the ladies' arm styling also in this so you can practice. But the footwork is first. So I'm going to turn my back to do the footwork. So if I'm starting as lead, I will start, of course, forward on my left, and I'm dancing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to set up my right turn on my count of 1, prepping my pelvis to the left, 2, 3, and then I finish at 5, 6, 7. So when I set that up, I'm going to have my arms up, prepping my pelvis, 1, keep my head, 2, turn my head, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The ladies' timing for the follow, her timing starts back on 1. 1, 2, 3, we set on 5. 5, 6, 7, and back on 1. So our timing is 1, 2, 3, prep, 5, 6, 7. Oops, and here, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we start to lose balance, you have to bend more to get into the legs to absorb the turn and the momentum. Use your abdominal muscles. The left turn for the lead. So basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Our left turn is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, step, 5, 6, 7. So when you're doing this turn, you're going to spot, look over your right shoulder, turn your head, find your front, and then move again. Cool. For the follow, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the styling for the ladies' arms. Some of you want to start practicing your arms. On the outside turn for the lady is arm coming down, 1, 2, arm up, 3. And then we bring the arm in on 5, 6, and 7. This is one way to do it. Arm coming down, 1, 2, up, 3. Pull the arm in, 5, 6, 7. So that looks like this from the front. Arm comes down, 2, up, 3. Pull the arm in, 5, 6, 7. You can also take the arm like this and bring it across the face. So that would be a little bit more stylized. 1, 2, 3, arm across. And so you're using this arm action like this. And whenever you lift your arms, you're lifting from your back, bending your elbow, coming across the face, and then out. So from the back, lift, cross the face, leave elbow, wrist, fingers. Okay, so this will get you started in practicing your turns and your styling. Thank you.